Good morning, students. We are going to continue with the chapter, the articles. So first we had read what articles. There are the, and a. They are known as articles. The use of a and an we have learned. They come under indefinite articles. Okay. Today we are going to learn the. So the comes under definite article. Okay. Use of definite article the. We use the article the very frequently. We need to understand when to use the definite article the. Okay, we use constantly, or very frequently we use the, but we have to learn where is the proper use of the. Okay, first, the definite article the is used when a unique reference is made to the noun. Unique reference means pointing out or identifying something that is very unique. Unique means it's one of its kind. Okay, doesn't have any other substitute or anything, it's just one of its kind. So the moon revolves around the sun. Moon and earth, sorry, the moon revolves around the earth. Moon and earth, they are unique. We have only one moon and we have only one earth. Okay, there are no replacements of moon and earth, so they are unique, so we use the before them. Okay, when a reference is made to a noun the second time, you should use the definite article the before it. See, when the use of noun is repeated in the second time it is used, so we used the before them. Okay, like I went to a hotel. The hotel was very clean. Already here we have identified that the person has gone, so that is he's uh, giving it in the first form. I went to the hotel. A hotel. Okay, some hotel he had gone, so there is a used. Okay, there is no proper noun here, so a is used. Then the hotel was very clean. The hotel which he was in, now he knows that okay, I am in this hotel, so now he is identifying that the hotel I was in was very clean. Okay, that particular hotel he was in, that was very clean. Okay, see now here, when a singular noun is used to represent a whole class, the definite article the should be used before it. See, when a singular noun is used to represent a whole class, means a single noun is used to represent the entire crowd, the definite article the is used before it. Okay, the lotus is a national flower. See, there are many flowers. Lotus is representing flowers here. Okay, so there are many flowers, but lotus is our national flag, the lotus. Okay, the lotus is representing the entire group of flowers. There are different kind of flowers, variety of flowers, but lotus is representing flowers, so we used before lotus, the lotus. Okay, use the definite article the before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, groups of island, mountain ranges, group of countries, trains, ships, aeroplanes, musical instruments, and well-known books. So we use definite article the before name of all these things. Okay, for example, the Ganga flows through the northern part of India. The Ganga river, we if we don't have to identify the name, we will say rivers, so the doesn't come before them. But if in that river, if we pick up one particular name like Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, we use the before them. Okay, because Ganga is unique, it's one of its kind, so that is where we use the. Okay, it's not it's just not for this, we can use it for others, other also. So use of other articles, other definite articles also we can use, like name of mountains, the Mount Everest. Okay, there are many mountains, but what we will use, the Mount Everest. Okay, superlative adjectives and ordinal numbers are always preceded by the definite article the. So superlative adjectives, there are three adjectives: comparative, superlative and possessive. Possessive, comparative and superlative. Possessive is basically for one particular. Comparative is comparison between two things, and superlative is comparison, it's on the third form. Okay, so here Bachendri Pal is the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Okay, see, first, the first, here it is said no ordinal numbers, so here the first is all, it's used for identifying that she was the first woman. Okay, the first woman. Always proceed with the definite article. The number will always proceed with the definite article here. Okay, here we have already used the, we never use the before any particular name. Okay, suppose if your name is Vijay, we will not use the Vijay, we will write Vijay. Okay, so but here also in this name Bachendri Pal, there is no the here, although it is a proper noun, but there is no the here. We don't use the definite article before names. Understood everyone? See now here, before directions use the definite article the. We use before directions also. Okay, north, south, east, west, northeast, southwest. Okay, so we use the before directions also. Nepal is to the north of India, the north of India, and north is a direction. Okay, use the definite article the before the names of historical buildings and monuments and historical events. Definite article is used before historical buildings, the old buildings, they're very famous, like the Taj Mahal. Okay, and monuments and historical events is anything relate that is particularly identified or it's a unique, so we use the before them. The Second World War, see, this is an event, historical event, the Second World War, so we use definite article before this, lasted from 1939 to 1945. Okay, so here we have used definite article before an historical event. This is an historical event. The Second World War was indeed a very historical moment. We still remember, it comes in our history, so this is the historical event that we use the before it. Okay, when a reference is made to nationalities, sets or communities, the is used. Nationalities or sets or communities is used, we use the before it. The French love cheese. The French. Okay, the French means the people of France. They love cheese. Like we are Indian. The Indians. Okay, for us it will be used the Indians. We are India, we live in India, na? So we for us it is the Indians. Okay, the Indians love, or we can say Indian food or anything we can add with that. So for this purpose also we use the. See, basically the is used before things that are unique, one of its kind. It's particularly pointing something. Okay, particularly pointing out something that's unique. Okay, we use definite article before them. With this our chapter is over. Articles, just go through it. I don't think it's difficult. Even if you find any difficulties, you're free to ask. And please be very careful where you have to use a, where you have to use an, and where you have to use the. Okay, if you have any kind of questions, you're free to ask. Thank you.